Welcome to episode 22 of Planet Earth. Today on Planet Earth, we will take a closer look at the beautiful city of Claremont. Welcome to Claremont, California, also known as the city of trees and PhDs. A quaint, charming little town includes a consortium of top-ranked colleges, boutiques, restaurants, offices, and art galleries. It's no wonder that Money magazine ranked it the fifth best city to live in the entire nation. Or is it? Despite its obvious beauty, many unsustainable agricultural and horticultural practices occurred in order to make it this way. This not-so-pleasant history is often forgotten by residents and tourists alike. Join us and our team here at Planet Earth as we investigate the truth about this city. Claremont, like much of Southern California, is home to a biome known as coastal sage scrub. Similar to chaparral, coastal sage scrub can appear to the untrained eye as barren, lifeless land. When attuned to the specifics of this phenomenal ecosystem, however, the vibrancy of the environment begins to emanate. Sage, one of the most sought-after plants of ritual and sacred practice, plays a central role within this space. Along with an array of sages is a multitude of other plant species. Laurel sumac, scientifically known as molosma, can be spotted by its red-lined, taco-shaped leaves. Mara, or wild cucumber, is identified by its overtaking vines, white flowers, and spiky fruit. Cholla cactus leaves its skeletal remains behind as the fruits of prickly pear cacti are indulged in by humans and other fauna alike. Stand countless yerba santa plants. The indigenous people of the Claremont region, the Tongva, built a relationship with the many medicinal properties of the flora's green leaves. These highly medicinal plants, however, are suffering. An unidentified black fungus has begun to form on aging leaves. Though its exact details remain unknown, it is definitely caused by human-induced environmental change. Pollution in the air and overall air quality has directly affected the state of the entire species. When located closely to highways or main roads, this fungal growth appears more clearly. The degradation of the plant is expedited. According to California Conservation Connection, invasive species threaten the diversity or abundance of native species through competition of resources, predation, parasitism, interbreeding with native populations, transmitting diseases, or causing physical or chemical changes to the invaded habitat. This is important because invasive species could affect humans in areas such as health or the economy. One example of a non-native species seen prevalently in Claremont is the eucalyptus. The eucalyptus tree has been considered by many as a symbol of California. However, it originates from Australia and was introduced to California in the 1850s. The eucalyptus is invasive in California and spreads rapidly. Here we see the College Heights Lemon Packing House, one of the last visible remnants of Claremont's history as an agricultural town. When the Santa Fe Railroad was created, there was a boom of small communities between San Bernardino and Los Angeles, such as Claremont, many of which became citrus-producing machines, fueled by an influx of Mexican-American pickers and packers, the men picking and the women packing. Although the packing house has changed shape with gentrification, hosting knitting stalls and coffee shops, and Claremont's economy is no longer supported by the citrus industry, this history of overwhelming amounts of non-native plant species still permeates the city. Claremont, a city that appears to have so much beauty on the surface, has problems rooted even deeper than the plants themselves. It is important to recognise that native plants and landscapes can be just as beautiful as the plants we have grown accustomed to seeing around the city today. Not only can these native plants be beautiful, but they are the best indicators of the health of the ecosystem. We cannot get this information from roses, eucalyptus trees, or citrus. What does the future hold for Claremont? This is up to you, the residents of Claremont, to decide. Until next time, Thank you for joining us here on planet Earth.